Then I had to sit and really think about what is going on in my life. I felt the weight of the world for me to do great. Hey, what's up, 1428 family? It's Dondre Brown here to bring you information to help you invest in your family, your finances, and your future. Hopefully your day is going well. You're able to accomplish some goals. Hopefully these videos are giving you the information you need to do what you need. If so, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, leave some comments. What are some more videos that you want to learn about? Are there different types of investment strategies? How's your mind when it comes to investing? Let's engage in the comment section and in our community. So what I want to do today is jump into investing. A couple days ago, we hit a little rocky bump in the day. I think I was down like $400 and something. I'm back up. I'll show you what I'm doing in the stock market. But one of the things that is essential when you're engaging in the stock market, especially as a beginner, is starting to build your ability to do research and learn about what's going on, right? You don't want to just invest your money into something and then not know what's going on with that company, right? Or what's going on with the economy. It does not take all day. You do not have to become, again, you don't have to go to college for finance, right? But what you do have to do is be able to access the resources and the internet to know what's going on. So today there's something huge that is impacting the possibility that may impact your investments, right? So what I mean by that is, let's go to my phone. Again, as I always like to do, is provide you my screen so that you can see how I lay out my apps and what I do as it pertains to organization. That's very key. But here I have my investing part, and I have my Yahoo Finance, which provides news. We click there, it's loading. There's a live button. And when I click on live, it's not coming up right now. Here we go. There we go. So Yahoo Finance, you can kind of get some information from here. They'll talk about some of these companies. That's one way to get some information. Again, they have an app. So if you ever want a little small digest of kind of what's going on from a larger overview, you can click on there, watch a couple videos, read a couple articles. It's all up to you. But the other thing you can do is just go to the web and look in New York Times. They're always putting out articles, but this one is something that is very important. So the Holding Foreign Companies Accountable Act has passed the House, right? And the Holding Foreign Companies Accountable Act means that the Americans, our country, is trying to hold China accountable in providing information regarding their stock exchanges, right? Their companies, right? China is one of the only countries that withholds information, financial information, and America is to believe that that could cause some risk issues, especially for American investors, right? So they passed this, which could cause some trouble for companies regarding them delisting them from the American Stock Exchange, meaning that if they don't comply within 3 years, they have 3 years, they can be pulled from the American Stock Exchange, right? So many of us know one company that may be impacted, which is NIO, right? NIO is a direct company from China. So are they going to comply? Who knows? If China does not disclose this information, again, they'll be removed from the American Stock Exchange. But we are also to believe that President Donald Trump is to sign this bill soon. China is also reported not being as worried as they used to be about the legislation because, as you know, over the last few years, China has really built their independence within their own stock market, right? Or within their own markets and financial markets. But what does this mean for you, right? As an investor, are you investing in EV stocks? I know for me, I started investing about a year ago. I didn't take it seriously, but I've been investing even more now. And EV stocks has literally helped my portfolio increase dramatically. I'm not even going to lie. I've been investing in penny stocks for EV as well as long-term stocks. So it really has helped me. So for me personally, I want to know what's going on. So what I think people should do is assume that, Chinese companies are going to comply, right? These companies want to be a part of the American Stock Exchange. So assume within the next 3 years, they're going to comply, but you always want to be prepared, right? You never know what's going to happen. So how do you, prepare yourself? I will say the first thing you do is, because there's now until 3 years, don't panic, right? Do not be quick to sell your stocks or your shares just relax a little bit and continue to get more information. Continue to subscribe, get some of these videos, look at other information out there. But one way that you can also prepare is look at your portfolio. How diverse is your portfolio? Are you investing all of your money into EV stocks, right? Because let's say worst case scenario, they don't comply within 3 years and all that money, they're delisted from the American Stock Exchange and then you're left holding the bag. You don't want to be in that position. You want to position yourself to have a diversified portfolio and be proactive enough to be able to anticipate that there'll be any changes in which you sell those stocks early and then you reinvest them in other things, right? That's a great way to be prepared. But before I jump into what's going on in my stocks, leave a comment. Do you think that we're going to be impacted? Do you think Chinese companies are going to comply, right? What do you think? Are you worried? What are your feelings right now? Also, did you know this already? And if not, how engaged do you plan to be, knowing that there are major things that can impact your ability to engage in the stock market? Again, leave some comments. But as I always like to do is jump into my Robinhood account. Again, I was down the other day, which is okay, because I tell you, in a down market, you don't panic, you purchase, right? So it gave me an opportunity to go back and purchase some stocks that I had kind of missed on. I was like, man, I wish they would go back down so I can go get them. And I was able to go get them. Yes, I was able to establish my position. Like I tell you, the way you establish your position is to buy more shares. That's a great way to establish position. Position are your shares. All right, so let's see how I'm doing on the day. On the day, I'm up $383, right? Again, the other day I was down. I was like, oh, okay, I'm down. But I seen it as a buying opportunity, so I went in and bought some more shares. On the week, I'm up $562. On the month, $2,000. 3 months, another $2,000, and a year, $1,900. So in the day, I'm doing pretty well. Let's scroll down and see how other things are doing. I have a trade option on GAP, also ticker symbol GPS. We'll talk more about trade options soon, but this is kind of what my portfolio is doing, right? I'm up in a lot of places, right? We have AT&T right here, ticker symbol T. I have 11 shares, almost 12 shares. They're only up $1, right? But that's a dividend stock. I told you, dividend stocks pay you income, right? So you want to be able to build dividend stocks. If you don't know about dividend stocks, go back to my videos. I shot a video that talked about how to get some income in dividend stocks. Moderna is a stock that talks about, or is trying to find a vaccine for COVID-19. They are moving and making long strides in trying to close and secure that vaccine. So they're doing pretty well. And then I also have some EV stocks. I have DraftKings. DraftKings, as you know, is a really good space right now, in a position, because we think about the NBA about to start. We think about sports about to come and increase. We think about Super Bowl coming. All these things are coming. So make sure you're investing in DraftKings. Don't worry, I'm gonna drop more videos that go into these stocks. But yeah, so that's my portfolio in a snapshot. Oh, I'm up by 381. That went up pretty fast. But again, this is me. This is me helping you learn about the stock market. Again, I started before and I wasn't taking it seriously. Now I'm taking it seriously. So you get an opportunity to join the journey now, right? Join the journey and ask those questions. Like, how do you start investing in the stock market? What are some things that you recommend that I invest in? How do I invest with limited to no money? If you do want free shares, make sure you click the link below. You get a share, I get a share through Robinhood, right? Why not start off by getting free shares and seeing how you do with something that's free, right? So again, hopefully you like this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, go follow me on social media. I am here to help you with your finances, all things finances. We're here to help you with your family as well as your future. Again, if you like this video, check out more. Peace.